How to maintain your flexibility and mobility for people over 40 years of age. As we age, our bodies tend to become less flexible and mobile. This can make it difficult to stay in shape and remain active. However, there are things that we can do to help maintain our flexibility and mobility into our 40s and beyond. In this video are some general tips, as well as the list for the 10 best mobility exercises. See our article for more information. Here are some general tips. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep our joints lubricated and reduces stiffness. 2. Eat healthy. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help improve flexibility. 3. Get regular exercise. Exercise not only helps with overall fitness, but also specifically with maintaining flexibility and mobility. Try incorporating stretching into your workout routine. 4. See a doctor or physiotherapist if you're experiencing pain or loss of mobility. It's important to see a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. They can also provide specific exercises or stretches to help improve your condition. 5. Use assistive devices. If you have trouble reaching something or getting around, don't be afraid to use assistive devices such as a cane or wheelchair. By following these tips, we can help maintain our flexibility and mobility well into our 40s and beyond. See our full article linked below, and it can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. 10 best flexibility and mobility exercises to improve overall wellness. 1. Cat-cow. This exercise is great for providing a gentle stretch to your back, neck, and shoulders. It helps improve posture, mobility, and range of motion in the spine. 2. Ankle rolls. This exercise loosens up tight ankles and improves overall balance. It's an important exercise for active people who need strong ankles and good balance to stay safe during physical activity. 3. Hip circles. A great exercise to help loosen up tight hip flexors, which can be a common source of back pain. Mobility in the hips also helps you move better, particularly when running or playing sports. 4. Shoulder rolls. Improves shoulder mobility and opens up the chest area, helping with posture and overall flexibility in the upper body. 5. Cobra pose. This yoga pose stretches the entire front side of your body from your feet all the way up to your neck and shoulders, improving both flexibility and core strength at once. 6. Hamstring stretch. An important exercise for anyone looking to improve their flexibility, as it helps to loosen up the tight muscles of the back of your legs. 7. Wide leg forward fold. A great exercise for releasing tension in the lower back and stretching out the inner thighs. It's also an excellent way to give yourself a mental break from long periods of sitting or standing. 8. Quad stretch. This stretch helps to open up tight hips, particularly when you combine it with ankle rolls mentioned above. 9. Thread the needle. This is an effective way to release any pent-up tension in your upper body, especially in between your shoulder blades, neck and arms. 10. Child's pose. This yoga pose is great for calming down after a workout, as it stretches out your back and legs. It's also an excellent way to relax your mind and body before going to sleep. These 10 exercises are easy to incorporate into any exercise routine or daily life, and can help you improve flexibility, mobility, posture, and overall wellness. Investing in yourself through a few simple stretches each day can have huge long-term benefits for your health and well-being. Make sure you listen to your body as you move. If something hurts or feels off, take a break from the activity until it feels better. Remember that taking care of your body is key for living a happy, healthy life. For more information about improving flexibility and mobility, read our blog post on the topic or contact us to learn more about Smart Team trademark symbol and Focus PT. Our expert staff is here to help you reach your fitness goals. In conclusion, regular exercise, a healthy diet, plenty of water, and good posture are all important for maintaining a strong and healthy body. These tips can help you avoid pain and injuries and improve your overall health. If you're looking for guidance on how to best incorporate these principles into your daily life, sign up for our functional training services Smart Team trademark symbol or Focus PT today. Our expert staff will work with you to create a customized plan that fits your unique needs and lifestyle. For more videos like this, visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel and via our website blog. The website also has more information on our Focus PT coaching services and Smart Functional Team training system, so you can get started today.